Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to insert basket to kitchen cabinet. Let's get started. As you can see, I have two cabinets already displayed. So now, first thing we do is to open the cabinet door. Right, so I would like to install my basket into this cabinet. Right, so after we open the door, we can always right click and select add accessories. Alright, so over here you may choose the types of pull basket. Alright, so I'm going to use the normal condiment pull basket. Alright, so do not click on choose. Alright, so after you select the one that you want, drag it into the carcass. Alright, so the trick is not to place it inside your cabinet. Alright, the trick is to detect on your door. And then you can press O and try. Right, if let's say you would like to change this swing door to a drawer, so we can always select the panel and change it to a drawer type. So now when we click O, it comes out like a drawer. And there you have it. So this is how to insert basket into the kitchen cabinet. Good luck trying, guys.